Hey everybody, welcome back to another training where I show you how to succeed in making money online. Today I want to talk about the top mistakes that I see affiliate marketers make when they're just getting started. And if you're following me for a while, I hope this video helps you to take a step back and really look at the affiliate marketing business, because if you're having trouble scaling, one of these may be the reason. And if you're new here, welcome. I post videos regularly to help you grow your affiliate marketing business, which, if you haven't already started, you're going to want to watch this video to make sure you don't fall into some of the pitfalls I am constantly seeing beginners make. Some of those pitfalls I'm going to be talking about are taught by so-called gurus and experts here on YouTube, so make sure you watch closely so you don't fall for these. While you're here, go ahead and smash the like button and let me know your thoughts in the comments. There's also a big red subscribe button. Hopefully you can see it. That's just waiting to be clicked. Now, if you have no idea what affiliate marketing is, but for whatever reason you clicked on this video, then let me make it as simple as possible. Affiliate marketing is a way that a person can earn money online with their own products or without their own products, with their own website, and very little startup cost. The reason for this is because with affiliate marketing, all you have to do is promote someone else's products or courses. And if someone makes a purchase through your promotion, you get a commission on that sale. Sounds pretty simple, right? Well, like anything else, because it's so simple, it's often pretty easy to mess up. And that's exactly why I created today's video, to help you avoid these pitfalls and make progress with your online business. Okay, so let's get into it. The first mistake beginning affiliate marketers make is finding a niche that isn't profitable. Here's what happens. When most affiliates get started, they're typically told they need to pick a niche or a topic and make sure that it's something that they're passionate about. So maybe you're passionate about baseball or fly fishing or cooking, or maybe sneakers or crypto, and you think you're going to build a business on that. Well, the problem is, to truly become wealthy as an affiliate, you need to pick a niche that speaks to a much wider audience. You want to pick niches that are going to be profitable. The top 3 niches that generate the most profit for affiliates are health, wealth, and relationships. And there are a few reasons for this. First, there are more people in the world interested in losing weight than there are people who are interested in fly fishing. I think that's fairly obvious. But secondly, these niches hit on specific pain points that people will spend countless dollars trying to fix. The health and wellness industries alone produce billions of dollars. So that doesn't mean you can't talk about your interests or passions, but you'll want to find where they fit in any of these categories to truly be successful. For example, I know of an incredible baker that has been having trouble finding affiliate products that allowed her to build a substantial business. Once she learned about the top 3 profitable niches, she saw that she could build her affiliate business around healthy baking and helping people lose weight while still eating and getting after the types of desserts that they love. So that's one. Here's a second major mistake most people in affiliate marketing, especially beginners, run into. They only find one product to promote. The reason for this is, most experts will say, hey, just find one product, learn it well, and stick with it. Now, there's some truth to that, and it's a great idea to know the products you're promoting well. But the reality is, if you really want to multiply your earnings and grow your business, you want to find a handful of products to promote all the time. You'll find that most of your sales actually come from repeat customers more than the new ones. Why? Because your customers already know, like, and trust you. So if you're willing to recommend something, they're ready to buy it. So let's again use the healthy baker again as an example. Now that she's broadened her niche, she can sign up for an affiliate for things like healthy cookbooks, weight loss supplements, protein powders, and online fitness courses. She can even become a Beachbody consultant and promote their products as well. I hope you're beginning to see how it can quickly turn into a much more sustainable business. Third issue are people forgetting about their email list. I see this over and over again. Affiliate marketers will set up their business, run a few ads, and even though they're growing their email list, they get discouraged that they only make a few bucks or they just break even. So here's the deal. I will gladly break even or lose a little money on the front end if I'm building my email list. Why? Because once I have those email addresses, they're mine until they unsubscribe. That means I can market new and exciting products to them whenever I want for free. So if you're breaking even or making a little money on your promotions and you're growing an email list, that's a huge win. Your email list is the most valuable asset in growing your business. Now, that leads me to number 4, getting discouraged too early. I don't care what your favorite guru told you today. Building a long-term, profitable, sustainable online business as an affiliate marketer is going to take time. Too often, I will see affiliate marketers doing a great job in their business. They have a large and active email list. They have a handful of customers, but they get discouraged because they're not making $10,000 a month or as much as the other person in their favorite Facebook group. Look, you need to recognize that this stuff will take time, and you're probably doing much better than you think. What do I mean? Well, let's take a retail store, for example. One of my friends was just telling me that when he was opening up just one of his stores in the mall, after the inventory costs, rent costs, supply costs, projected payroll costs, he'd spent $50,000 before ever making a single sale. Think about that. Most of the online business owners I know barely spend $100 before they make their first sale. That's just the reality of online businesses these days. So don't get discouraged if you're not at the numbers you wish you were, or your favorite gurus say you should be, or where someone else is in this Facebook group. Learn to see the potential of your business rather than just where you are right now. And above all else, don't give up. Too many people start an online business, get discouraged after a month, and give up. There's no possible way to succeed if you give up. Most of the successful businesses I know had to push through discouragement and fight the temptation to give up. So as I wrap up this video, I want to quickly review the 4 mistakes I see too many online business owners make. 1 is choosing a niche, especially choosing a niche that isn't profitable. Remember the 3 best niches: health, wellness, and relationships. Also recall that you can find a way to mix in your passion with one of these niches, just like our baker friend who mixed in healthy eating and weight loss with her passion for baking. Secondly, people who only choose one product. Apple started with a computer, but soon expanded into things like personal tech, MP3 players, phones, tablets, headphones, etc. Model your business like this and find multiple products to promote. Third mistake, neglecting the email list. Your email list is the most important asset of your business. Build your list, nourish it. It will pay you back 10 times over. And finally, giving up. By far, this is the biggest mistake online business owners make. Simply put, it takes time to build a business. Resist the urge to compare yourself to others. Fight back against discouragement. Don't give up. As always, thanks for watching today's video. I hope you learned something new. Hit that like button and subscribe so that you can be the first to see my next video. See you next time.